Hi Dean, my name is Bill Herbert with Tameron Hyundai. We appreciate your interest in the 2017 Santa Fe right next to me. This Santa Fe is a limited ultimate edition, which means it comes with all the options that you could possibly want. Right up front, you got a nice waterfall grille, adaptive headlights. Come on in the inside and I'll show you some of the features. Leather seating throughout, bucket seats in the second tier, climate control front and rear, Bluetooth, Blue Link, navigation, panoramic sunroof. It also has lane change assist, blind spot detection, parking indicator assist. This vehicle has so many features, you really need to come in and see me at 1591 Montgomery Highway, or you can call me at 205-380-6250. This car won't last long the way it's situated. It needs to be in your driveway. I look forward to seeing you soon.